Hi guys, so a few of you commented on my Facebook post asking about sharp edges, so I thought I would video a quick tutorial on how to achieve sharp edges on your cakes. This has been freshly iced today, so it's ready to work on. Don't try and do this on a cake that's been sat for too long, you do need fresh icing. So just ice your cake in whatever way you feel comfortable. Then we're going to use a flexi smoother like this. I really like these, they're my favourite go-to smoother. The next thing we need is a Bako Glide sheet. If you've not got one of these, you can use greaseproof paper, that's fine. And a workboard. I'm using an acetate one, but if you've got just a bigger cake board, that's fine. The one thing you do need to make sure is that your board is bigger than your cake. So first things first, we're going to pop our Bako Glide liner on top of our cake, or greaseproof paper if that's what you're using. Then put our board on top. And we're going to flip our cake over. So do be careful. Move your cake to the edge of your table. Pop your hand underneath to pick it up. And then make sure your hand's firmly on the top. And we're going to flip it over. Now we're going to use the smoother to smooth the bottom edge of our cake, which will be the top. So backwards and forwards with your finger on top of the smoother to put pressure on. This is going to create a really nice sharp edge at the bottom of our cake. Keep going backwards and forwards all the way around your cake. It will feel like your cake has got huge all of a sudden. It really hasn't, I promise. But do keep just working your way around the cake, making sure that you really smooth that top edge down. Keep checking it every now and again, just by having a look to make sure that it looks like your icing is reaching the bottom of your cake. Make sure that you take this opportunity to rub out any imperfections in the side of your cake as well, so you can rub out any little marks or bumps in the side of your cake as you go around as well. And just keep making sure that top edge is really nice and smooth. Now we're going to flip our cake up the other way. So pick up your workboard. Hand underneath and hand on top of your cake, and we're going to flip it over. Take the workboard off. Take off the Bako Glide sheet or your greaseproof paper, and there you should have it, a really nice sharp edge on your cake. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe.